Yeah, what's up guys? It's Johnny. Welcome to Johnny's Whips. Thanks for joining me on another video. Today we're going to keep it real plain and simple. I'm just going to show you guys how to tell how old your tires are. So you can walk up to any tire and look at the date code on them. Let me show you how. Let's go. All right, so like I said, you could just walk up to any tire and you can see the date code on them. And you're going to find it right after the letters DOT. I know it's upside down, but you can see the DOT. And I'm gonna keep it simple. There's a lot of letters and numbers there, but the one that you're looking for is this one here inside the oval shaped way at the end. I know it's upside down, but you see 0124. So the first set of numbers is the week, the second set of numbers is the year. So 0124 means that these tires were made the first week of 2024. Let's go check out another whip and see the tires on that one. Let's go this way. All right, so let's check out the date code on these tires right here. Where's it at? Remember, we gotta look for something that says DOT. And one thing I forgot to mention earlier is that if you don't find it on one side of the tire, you might find it on the other. So here it is, check it out. DOT, right? You wanna look for the DOT and then go all the way to the end over here. 4222. So these tires were made the 42nd week of the year 2022. Let's go on to the next. Let's go check another one. All right, here's another whip. Let's just walk up to the tires and then just look at the DOT number. First, we got to find it. Where is it? DOT. Remember? DOT. There it is. So the DOT. So these tires right here, again, I know it's upside down, but that's 4321. So these were made the 43rd week of the year 2021. All right. Let's check out another whip. Does anybody recognize that whip right there? Man, let's check out the date code on this one right here, man. Look at them Continental True Contact Tour tires right there. I made a video on these right here, man. Remember that? If you haven't seen it, check it out. Look at, there's the DOT, man. I'll go all the way to the end. Inside of the oval-shaped design there, 0724. So these tires were made the 7th week. Yeah, right? Yeah, 7th week of 2024. All right, man, let's go check out another one. All right, guys, let's check out the DOT number on these tires right here. Let's find out how old they are. There it is, easy, DOT, look at 2122. So these tires were made the 21st week of 2022. Not bad. All right, let's check out the DOT number on these tires right here. Where's it at? Where's it at? DOT. Remember, we got to look for the one that says DOT. There it is. Look, DOT, right? And then way at the end, that looks like 2823. So these tires were made the 28th week of the year 2023. All right, guys, let's go check out one of the tires right here, man. Let's see what we got. Where's the DOT, man? Where's the D? Look at it right there, right in front of us. There's the DOT number. So go all the way to the right. Oh, man, 0415. It's 2024, man. 0415. These tires were made the 4th week of the year 2015, 9 years ago. Well, tomorrow will be 2025, so 10 years old, man. You think it's time to replace them tires or what? Let's go check out another one, man. Another one, man. Let's check out the DOT number on these tires right here and find out how old they are. Let's look for that DOT. Where's it at? DOT. There it is. It's up on the top. I missed it. All right, there it is. Look, DOT. Let's go all the way to the right. Inside of that oval-shaped thing there. 0124. So these tires were made the 1st week of 2024. That's pretty much it, man. I just wanted to show you guys how to check the DOT number on your tires. If you guys want to know how old your tires are, that's how you could do it. Super easy, quick video. Just wanted to show you guys. Today is December 31st of 2024. Tomorrow will be a new year, man. I appreciate you guys watching my videos, man. Everybody who likes, comments, shares, subscribes, all that, man. I appreciate you guys very much. Stay tuned for 2025, man. We got a lot more coming. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please drop them down in the comments or send me an email, man. Again, I'm from Los Angeles, California. Johnny's Whips. I appreciate you guys watching, man. Happy New Year. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.